everyone, it's Natasha. Thanks for joining me today on Educational Roots. Today I wanted to show you a product that Timberdoodle sent to us. It's called the Djeco Cosmic Mission, and they sent it to us to review. This is part of the 5th grade Timberdoodle curriculum kit, but it's for ages 6 to 11. However, I think even older kids might enjoy this. In fact, I really enjoyed it myself. So the Djeco Cosmic Mission is scratch art with a space theme. It would be perfect to go along with a space unit study. It comes with 4 scratch templates and 1 scratch tool. Since we had more than one person doing the activity at the same time, we just used some kebab sticks, which worked perfectly well. It also comes with an instruction booklet. There aren't written instructions, though there is some writing, but it's in French, so I couldn't understand it. However, the directions that you need are all pictures. The pictures show you what to scratch first, then what to do next, etc. My daughters love scratch art pads, but they said that they liked this Djeco Cosmic Mission much more than a blank scratch pad because they get stuck on what to draw with the blank ones. There's real satisfaction when you finish and you're left with a really beautiful piece of art. In fact, you could even frame it and add it to your homeschool room or bedroom. This requires attention to detail and patience. It also works on fine motor skills and visual discrimination. For my daughter with dysgraphia, this was a fantastic way to get her using her hands and fine motor skills to do something that wasn't actually writing. I did one myself and found it totally engaging and quite fun. I'm not much of an artist myself, but I do like to create, so this was super fun to me. This would also make a great activity for the kids to do during read aloud time. My daughter thought this was super cool. The instruction booklet was super helpful. You could do this all in one sitting, but it will likely take a few hours. You could also work on it little by little over a few days. Either way, I think you and your kids will really enjoy the Djeco Cosmic Mission. It was a huge hit in my house.